So today I'm so excited about this video. I had my husband go to Sephora with me and pick out all the makeup so I could use it in a tutorial. This is probably going to be a disaster. So I hope that you're entertained. Roll the clip.
So what's the rules?
Okay, so we're going to go to Sephora.
Going to Sephora.
Yes, and then you're gonna just pick out everything you think that I need to do a complete makeup look.
Is there a theme?
No.
Can I make one?
Sure. Just like I can only use what you buy for me to do my face. So like for example, if you leave something out, then you know.
Sucks for you.
Yep. How much do you think you're gonna spend? That's what I want to know. A lot.
We'll see. I don't know prices.
Are you gonna get a basket?
Yeah.
Right here. Hi.
Sure.
Babe, that's the tester. You have to get the one behind it.
Oh no, I'm just about to mess her face up.
Okay. So the testers are the ones in the front and in the boxes. That's the one you want?
Maybe I wanted a
Let's
tester.
shade 150.
Maybe I wanted a tester.
You can't get the tester.
I don't understand how you guys do this. It's all the same.
It's not all the same.
All the same.
It's very different.
I've been down 4 aisles and seen the same words 4 times. Highlight, conceal, contour.
Contour?
Retouch, contour. What do I want? Ooh, taffy. Taffy.
We grabbed cocoa. You said taffy, but you grabbed cocoa. That's fine. Do what you want.
Taffy.
Okay, great.
A lip color.
I've been wanting to try this lip product. Yes. I didn't say anything.
Big pack. Can't go wrong with a big pack.
I like the way you shop.
Oh, I know Tarte. Hashtag vegan.
Is that why you know it?
Yep. I keep seeing words, but every time it comes to it, highlighter. That's the word I was looking for.
What's that?
Highlighter.
Oh.
Corrector, primer, moisturizer. Sure, let's try light moisturizer. Is that right? It is today. Why do you guys have the same thing? Like concealer.
It's a different brand. Everyone has their own concealer.
They do the same thing, right?
No, not all of them.
Huda. I know Huda. Huda.
Ooh, they have new testers out.
We've already done this. Shout out to the new one.
Oh, he knew a video. Huh?
I don't think he did this color though.
No, I didn't use that palette.
You will today. Oh, that's a palette too. What to do? I need something with pop. I need something to pop.
Okay.
I need something for this neon to pop.
Wow.
Like it's pop.
Okay.
Neon. You need to go to the Roxy. You need the Roxy in your life. If you don't have the Kat Von D Roxy in your life, you're missing out.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm gonna win.
Who are you winning again?
I'm gonna win.
Okay.
Primer, mascara, blush, brows, foundation, blush.
Thank God.
Shout out to the cheerleaders of the 49ers. We're gonna keep it Bay Area. The Gold Rush is the name of the cheerleaders. Shout out to Bria. Oh, she's a warrior now. It's nothing.
Yeah. Let's go over what he bought. First off, he spent $326.34 and he bought 10 items. My husband's so cute, I can't say anything bad. Let's go over this first. He bought the Benefit Feathered and Full Brows Kit. This comes with the Precisely My Brow Pencil, Give Me Brow Setter. It looks like maybe a brow stencil. Never seen this before. I believe he got the medium shade. It says number 3. So that's good. That will work for me. Okay. That might be You know the best thing from this? He got the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I just did a video on this, so I'm not sure if he watched it or not. Hello? So the shade 300 is like a little too light for me, and this is shade 150. At first, he grabbed the darkest shade out of this line, and he actually grabbed the tester and just threw it in the bag. And so I had to tell him, like, no, you need the box. And he ended up grabbing 150. So apparently this is my foundation for today. Then he got the Tarte Amazonian Clay Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 20 in the shade Light. Maybe like he sees me with my face with no makeup and he sees how pale it is without makeup, and you know, he thinks I'm just lighter. That's cool. Then he got Born This Way concealer, my favorite, absolutely favorite concealer. He got the shade Taffy. Never tried the shade. It's 10 shades darker than my concealer shade, but looks like it still could work. But it's probably gonna be darker than the foundation color. Then he got another concealer. This YSL, he's got good taste. All Hours concealer in the shade 4, Sand. This might be dark too, we don't know. Then this, I've been really wanting to try this. He got the Peach Puff by Too Faced, the long wearing matte lip in the shade Stoked. This looks like it could be like my new favorite lip, so I'm excited. Then he got the Gold Rush blush by Benefit. This is actually in my Cheek Leaders palette. It's pretty much like a highlight, but that's my blush. Then he got the Neon Huda palette in the pink shade. He knows I had the green one for my video, so we'll be having neon pink on our eyes today. Then he thought I should have the shade Roxy, this purple shade from Kat Von D Liquid Lip. I'm pretty sure I told him before that purple lip should be canceled for all skin tones, but maybe he forgot. Lastly, he got the Tartelette Chrome Paint Highlighter, so it looks like it's like a big highlighter pot. So those are our items. So I can't use anything else besides these products. So we're gonna see how this goes, and sorry in advance. Here we are with my concealer color and a foundation. At least I love the foundation. I've actually never tried this Tarte one. So let's just mix them together. Oh, the Tarte one's darker than the Fenty one. This is my color that I tried to match. So. Cute. Cute. Thank God I have nowhere else to go after this, or else I'd have to leave the house with this face. This is gonna be so fun. I wish that he was here to see this, but he's working, so we're gonna FaceTime him. I should make him take me out on a date with this look since he picked all this. Be like, look what you did to me. So our foundation is on. Doesn't match, but so far, we're okay. So out of the two concealers, let's see what we have. I don't know what these shades look like. Then with the YSL All Night, what's it called? All Hours concealer. It looks like a mascara. I've never tried this before. Ooh, this could work as a concealer color. Let's try this. Ooh, okay. YSL, I see you, boo. He's got expensive taste. Not really, but thank God he grabbed this. This is in the shade Sand, number 4. Not too bad. It covers really well. Okay, let's use the shade Taffy that he got, and let's like do a little contour or like warm up the face. Oh, it's not a contour. It looked darker. Let me just try to warm up my face then. At least he picked the right concealer. I love this concealer. I mean, so far my face does not look bad. Like, at all. It looks pretty cute. Just like a little lighter than I would like, but it happens sometimes. Okay, so far, so good. We're okay. We're a little light, but we're fine. So let's open this brow kit. I'm kind of excited because, like, who doesn't love a big brow kit? Like, ooh. Feathered and full brows. This is cute. How cute. It comes in a little tin. So they give you stencils. I think what I'm gonna do is fill in my brows with the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in the shade 3. This is actually like really good brow products, so I'm happy that my brows are gonna look good. It's funny because I thought this was gonna be like a huge disaster, and I'm sure by the end it will. But like considering so far for like the face and brows, he did a really good job. I don't have anything to set my face. That's okay. I also have to try this highlighter and blush. The highlighter actually looks so dope. The blush is pretty much gonna be a highlighter. Okay, the brows are actually on point. Let's try the Gimme Brow. This might be a little too dark, but we'll run the clear one over it. This is like a tinted brow gel, but it gives you like a little bit of a shape and holds them together at the same time. Let's do a little clear brow gel to set. I actually have the full size version of this. I love the wand. So let's do the Tarte Lit Chrome Paint. This is huge. Okay, so this is a loose powder. Let's put on some highlights. This shade's actually so pretty. Wow. I'm screaming because he just texted me, I did good, huh? We will see about that once this is done. So far, it's like everything is bomb. I just would have wanted different shades in the foundation and concealer, but like, considering how he was when I first met him till now, a few years after I met him, we weren't even together yet at this point, but he was talking to me and I was in the bathroom doing my makeup and he came down the hall and was standing there in the doorway talking to me. And then all of a sudden he just walked away and I was like, where did you go? What are you doing? And he says, it's just weird. I'm like, what's weird? You putting that stuff on your face, it's just weird. And he like walked away and wouldn't talk to me. I was like, and then he said how growing up his mom and his sister never wore makeup, so it was weird. And it's like, that's a lie, because knowing them now, they do wear makeup and they said they did wear makeup. So I thought that was funny. So he's come a very long way. We're gonna do the Gold Rush blush. It's pretty much a highlighter, so that's fine. It's like a pinky gold. He got it because of the 49ers. I'm not mad at that. Oh, it gives you a little color. So basically, like, he did good. Like, our face looks good. Our face is fine. It's like not what I would do, but it's fine. It's not terrible. I thought this was gonna be way worse. We'll get to the eyeshadow and the purple lip. We got 3 products left. So it's pretty fast to do your face when you don't have all the products. Saves me on time. Here's the Huda Neon Palette. This is the pink one. At least he matched it to the lip. I think he picked this first, but these are all pink and purple, so I'm gonna try to just do like a quick little like lavender look. This is like a cute palette, but I wouldn't normally like wear this. I mean, I guess I would. I've been doing a lot of like pink eyeshadows lately and some fun bright colors. We'll try to make this look as best as we can. At first he told me he wanted to make me look like a clown, but then he said he was just kidding and like he was gonna actually try to pick me out stuff. But I'm kind of like, did he try to make me look like a clown? Let's take some of this shade on the lid. This is really pretty, but he didn't buy eyeliner or mascara. This would happen to me when I just took off my eyelash extensions a few days ago, because if I had eyelash extensions, I wouldn't really need mascara or eyeliner as much. He did pretty good though, I'll give him that. Okay, I'm not gonna put any of these on the bottom because I don't have eyeliner or mascara and I feel like it'd make it look super weird. There's not really a dark enough shade in here to use as eyeliner, so this will be my completed eye look. Now, last 2 lip products. I've been really wanting to try this Too Faced Puff Liquid Lip. But considering I have to use all of this, I don't know how this would work. Here goes. I really would have rather used this as eyeliner because it would be cute with this. But I didn't know if that's cheating, like if I'm supposed to use everything how it comes and what it's used for. I have no lip liner, so let me try to clean this up with the concealer brush. This was going fine until we got to the eyes and lips. So let's just put some of this pink puff over the top. This is the shade Stoked. Listen, if he would have picked a different eyeshadow palette and a different lip and just like, I could have dealt with the stuff he picked. You know? Okay, I'm not gonna ruin this with this purple, so I'm gonna apply this with my finger. I mean, this tastes like peaches. I don't know if this made the lip worse or better. So guys, this is my final look. I hope that you loved how this came out. I know there's some people out there that might do their makeup like this, so I don't want to offend you, but this is not my style of makeup, you know? He's at work at the studio right now, but let's FaceTime him. And let's see what he has to say for himself. And you're live. How do I look?
You look so cute.
You want to take me on a date?
To a dark club.
That's
Did I do
rude.
that?
This is what you did. Let me tell you something. The foundation you picked out was like my concealer colors, and you picked out a tinted moisturizer that was just as light. So my face, I mean, it was fine, right? Then the concealer, like, it's not as light as I wanted, but it's fine, right? So like we were fine until we got to the eyes and the lips. This is why I told you that purple lips are canceled for everybody. And then you choose to not give me mascara or lashes or liner when I take off my eyelash extensions. And then the brow products might be a little too dark.
I don't even know what you just said I didn't do or did do. I don't understand. I'm pretty sure I don't know what to say. You look so cute.
Thank you so much. Love his reaction. He won't be going to Sephora anymore with me. So, you know, the foundation, the concealer, the brows, we can live with it. The highlighter, the blush, we can live with it. If we just had a two-faced lip, it would be really good. You know, a little bare eye action, like bare skin, natural skin, a bold brow, and a lip. Like, what a good look. So, this wraps this up. I'm gonna go grab my makeup wipes ASAP, okay? I hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know what type of videos or challenges you wanna see in the comments below, okay? Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you had fun and laughed a little bit. He said I look like Frida. Okay, bye.